AutoCAD spell checker flagging your industry-specific terms. The CUS custom dictionary file is where you add specialized vocabulary. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to manage this dictionary file to streamline your CAD documentation workflow. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated CUS File Viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. CUS files are custom dictionary files used by AutoCAD to store user-added words for the spell-checking system. They contain specialized terminology abbreviations, company names, project-specific vocabulary, and technical terms that AutoCAD's built-in dictionary does not recognize, preventing false flagging during text spell checks. CUS files are custom dictionary files used by AutoCAD to store user-added words for the spell-checking system. They contain specialized terminology abbreviations, company names, project-specific vocabulary, and technical terms that AutoCAD's built-in dictionary does not recognize, preventing false flagging during text spell checks. Official support for CUS is primarily provided through Autodesk AutoCAD from Autodesk, Inc. The operating system generally only reads the file's header information, not its full content. Windows may open the file easily, but safe modification requires knowledge of each setting's effect. To bypass the file format error, right-click the CUS file and choose Open With. Prioritize Autodesk AutoCAD if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file claim. If the CUS file won't open, don't panic. Don't let the CUS file frustrate you. Its specialty simply means we need to confirm a few specific criteria. Time for our checklist. First, locate the dictionary file. Find the CUS file in your AutoCAD support file. Search path typically in the User Profiles App Data Roaming Autodesk folder. In AutoCAD, check the location under Options, then Files, then Text, Editor, Dictionary, and Font File. Names, then Custom Dictionary File to see the exact file path configured. Next, add custom words. Open the CUS file in Notepad or any text editor and add your custom terms one per line. Alternatively, use AutoCAD's spell check function and click Add when it flags a legitimate term. AutoCAD writes the word to the CUS file automatically. Save the file and the new terms are recognized in future spell checks. Finally, share across workstations. Copy the CUS file to other workstations to share custom dictionary terms across your team. Place the file in a network-accessible location and configure each AutoCAD installation to reference the shared CUS file path in Options, then Files. This ensures consistent spell-checking vocabulary across all team members. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.